Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and today is a video I really don't want to make. Why? I'm going to tell you why. I like Alpharex headlights, and I have them on my personal vehicle, and I recommend to this customer of ours, and we put them on for him. Within 2 weeks, come over here, take a look at all this. We're actually changing them out today for him, and not just the one side, both sides here. Now, for the customer, we're taking them out, putting a new set in there. Now, my biggest problem is I'm actually not so mad up that even though there's water in there, as you can see, there's a lot of water on both sides. It's just how difficult it is for working with Alpharex, trying to get a new set for the customer. We actually bought a set for them because Alpharex would not send us a new set, even though we just bought this and it hasn't even been on in a month, and they're just not warranting us. So this is a message really for Alpharex. If you got to really do a little better with these lights. Again, these are the Alpharex Pro Series and on the Ram 1500, and we're replacing them today because of water seeping into the lights. I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is not a video I want to make. Thanks.